welcome back to my channel. It's Michelle Marie, and if you are new here, hi, hello, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be reviewing a new wig that I just got. It's actually like my birthday weekend, and I was gonna do this like half up, half down look, and it just wasn't coming out the way I wanted it to come out. So I ran over to my local beauty supply store and I found this wig that I actually really like. So I'm gonna go ahead and install it for you guys, review it a bit, and just kind of let you guys know how I'm feeling about it. The wig is called L360 Rika by this brand called Bechet or something. I'm not familiar with this brand and I've actually never used any of their products. So I'm excited to try this out and go ahead and review it. This is the wig fresh out of the box, the packaging. The reason why I even gravitated toward this wig was because it was kind of like kinky textured, if you guys can kind of see. I love that. I love natural hairstyles. And then I also love the parting space. Like, look at how good that is. I'm just, I saw it on the mannequin. I was just like, I have to have it. And then also, look at the lace, y'all. Like, the lace is like brown tinted already. So it's like, they did a lot of work for you anyway. And the hair itself is pre-plucked, if you guys can go ahead and see that. So as somebody who does not know how to do the whole plucking thing, this is just so perfect for me as a beginner, because look, like, that's just absolutely perfect. And it also comes with some baby hairs. I wanted to go ahead and show you guys the construction of it. It's a 360 wig, so it has lace all around. So if you want to wear it up in a ponytail, you can go ahead and figure out how to do that and do it. And this is the length of it. I would say this is about like 25, 26 inches. Oh, it's 28 inches. So yeah, it's some hair on this. So let me go ahead and just put it on. Y'all about to see my ghetto braids. So straight up, this is the wig. Y'all, this is the wig. Hi. This is the wig. Not to be dramatic, but I think this is actually the best synthetic hair I've ever tried in my life. And I used to be a synthetic queen back in the day. Like when I was an undergrad and did not have coins, baby. I always stayed with the synthetic. And I think the quality on this one is incredible. And I think that's mostly because of the texture of the hair itself. Like, this is, I can already see the vision. I can already see it. So yeah, this is how this is. As you can tell, the hair itself is very full. Look at all of that. So let me go ahead and cut the lace and then figure out how I want to style it and really put this on. I feel like I even want to make it like a side part, because it's my birthday. Like, I need to look like that girl. What? Yeah, no, it's gonna be a side part. It's gonna be a side part today, baby. A side part it is. Now, I will say, I'm getting some shedding, but to be honest, like, this is my first time putting it on, so that's kind of expected with a synthetic unit. But I did want to go ahead and let you guys know that. So this is how it's looking right now. I actually do not plan on like laying it down for the purposes of this video, because I'm not going nowhere. So I don't want to put all that on me, plus I travel tomorrow. So instead, I'm gonna go ahead and put some skin toned powder on the lace to blend it all in more. All right, so this is how everything is looking right now. Honestly, if I really wanted to just stop, I would stop right here. Like, I really don't have to do much after this. Like, this hair is literally beautiful, straight out the bag, like fresh, clean, untouched. Like, you literally don't need to do much to it. But I'm gonna go ahead and do some more and just see how it comes out. All right, so I have a hot comb that I got off of Amazon. I'll leave the link down below for you guys if you're interested. I'm just gonna go ahead and flatten it up on the this area just to make things a bit more nicer. So I will say that it took to heat very well. I only had my hot comb on like the second setting, and I could see that like it really straightened it out. So that's really nice that it takes to heat so well. Okay, I lied. I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges just because it's just so cute and I wanna, you know, see the full picture, see the full vision. So, y'all, do you see that? All right, and like the hair itself already comes with some pre-plucked edges. So, listen, if you don't buy this wig after this video, I don't know what to tell you. Like, I'm literally gonna go on their website and order like at least a good 3, and just keep in my stock. All right, so I finished curling half of it. I wanna go ahead and show you guys how it's looking. This is the first half. I mean, the curls aren't perfect or whatever, but it is what it is. But that's how it's looking. And then this is just it, untouched, nothing on it. And as you can see, when I apply heat, it kind of changed the luster of it. Like, this is giving me natural permed, and this is giving me straight up, you know, kinky straight. But I love it. I love how it looks flattened out. I love how it looks with some heat. It takes to heat very well. Like, my hair's not over here burning and frying and all. So I really, really do like that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and finish the second half and then give you guys my last thoughts on the hair. All right, y'all, so this is the final look. That's everything. It's not human hair, so you can't really expect the curls to, you know, be curling and doing all that extra stuff or whatever. But I'm happy that it gave it some kind of definition to the hair instead of it just being like, you know, bam, yucky hair. But I really, really do love this hair. I'm so excited for my birthday now because a girl was struggling, and y'all know, y'all understand the birthday hair stress. So we thank God. This is how it's looking close up, so you guys can really see how the parting looks. I didn't even do nothing to this parting. Like, that's just it out the box, you know? Beautiful. So anyway, in regards to the hair specifications, like I said, it's 28 inches. I got this in a color 4, which is my natural hair color. So it looks very natural. I also bought it from my local beauty supply store. I bought it for about like $65, $70 or something like that. I looked online, y'all, it's $30. So go ahead and just, you know, pick it up online. For only $30, this is a freaking steal. Like I said, this is the type of hair I'm probably gonna buy like 2 or 3 just to keep. And like, you know, synthetics, regardless, they get old. When that happens, pop on the next one. This is perfect for any kind of special occasion. Synthetics you should not really be wearing on a daily basis, but this one is just absolutely perfect. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Let me know how you guys are feeling this hair down below in the comment section, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag do. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag do.